Yeah, this is Kevin from Cage, killing it. Another bisque kiln opening. This one's my bird feature. I broke the wing on the top bird, but the rest looks like it came out okay. That's the center pier. Everything's gonna rest on this. Alright, this was my robin I made. I was putting the kiln shelf in and I was trying to put too much in, put it right on the top of his wing and snap. But he came out pretty cool. Maybe I can get it to work, otherwise I gotta make another one. Alright, this is the bottom shelf. It's gonna be tiers that sit on the one ring. That's my little guy. Josephine showed me how to make them. Not bad. First attempt. Here's the wing from the bird. I fired it anyway. So close, so close. Alright, that's my middle bird. Middle ring, Josephine Sgraffito. Top piece, more Sgraffito. Probably gonna glaze this like a forest green, maybe with the white snow to get the little effect. So this is the piece all together. Watch me break it. Gotta be very careful. Shouldn't be doing this, but whatever. And this guy was supposed to go up here, like so. And that's that. This is gonna be like a bird feeder slash water, whatever. Could have made it a fountain, but I really didn't want to again, so I went with this route. But that's it. Came good with, except for that guy's wing, so we'll see if I can fix it.